Kunzima kwaMvelase, kunzima kakhulu kwaMvelase. Ukhule kanti ufuna ubulungiswa ngokushawa ke kankosikazi wakhe, kanti ke ulaka lwakhe ke selezolenzwa ke uthi uSiphamandla athi akaphume ngesango kanye nomndeni wakhe. Bavele bahamba guys and guess ukuthi ubani othi wozana emzini wami. One and only Ndlovu. Khulekani guys akamazi uNdlovu ukuthi ungumuntu onjani. uNdlovu uzomfaka ehlathini amshiye phakathi. Hello everyone, welcome back to Sunday Live Channel. Thank you so much guys for tuning in. I'm here to update you of what's going to happen on Umkhokha from the 2nd to the 6th of September 2024 on Monday. Khulekani pushes for Manzimande's punishment, forcing Siphamandla to take drastic measures. The new faction causes Kapsile's heartburn. An old couple breathe new life into their relationship on Tuesday. Khulekani takes a decision that leaves them temples appalled. Ndlovu is infuriated that his wife didn't go through with an unspeakable act. Kapsile ostracizes Sibahle out of the Young Virgin Girls on Wednesday. Siphamandla's heart breaks when he fully grasps the depth of his rivalry with his brother. Ndlovu makes a big sacrifice for Khulekani, and Manzimande want to square up with Nomkhosi on Thursday. Siphamandla refuses to carry fake stuff. Ndlovu impresses Khulekani with a genius new idea to differentiate themselves from original Amajudia. Mamzobe tells Ngema to apologize to Diffa on Friday. Chaos reigns supreme at a table as two has face off. Manzimande stares shame in her face. Mamzobe hasn't learned any lesson. Well guys, this is all I have for today. You can leave your comment below and share your opinion. Bye. Kunzima.